Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys for tuning in. Thank you so much for love and support. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like, share video. Into ikanjalo guys nokubuka ama ads. Thank you so much for your love and support you guys. Sizokhuluma ke ngonyana kaBaba uSilo Thwala uLongwe ethwala you guys ukuthi ke icase yakhe ilokhu njalo iya postpone. When it comes to this one, you guys, I think look at seeing Kantolo by postponing this case. Ukuthake unomeli omusha, I think so. So ke kuthi umeli omusha ke kumele ukuthi azilungise. Into ikanjalo you guys kuthiwa afamiliarize ne-case kaLongwe Thwala ke before angaqhubeka ngayo ingakho kupostpone you guys. So uLongwe usazohlala ke futhi lapha nejele. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi lokho vele kuyiplani kababa wakho babuChicco Thwala you guys owathi ke kungcono kumese ejele than ukuthi ebesemgaqweni you guys ebese ekhaya futhi uyamosha ke uyantshontsha athatha izinto zasendlini ayozidayisa ukuze azokwazi ukusatisfy na self when it comes to lezi idakamizwa zababayebhema something like that you guys. So okay, bathu uLongwe Thwala kuzogcina esitokisini laphana kulandela isicelo sommeli wakhe ofune isikhathi ke sokuthi afunde idokodo lakhe into ikanjalo guys. So bathu sele yedwa notava ke lobugebenga ke nokuntshontshela uyise uLongwe Thwala ke ogqunywe lapha nesitokisini ngemuva kokudedela komfowabo uSilo ayiboshe naye ngamacala ke ukugqekeza nokweba. uLongwe uvele kancane enkantolo emanje yaseRandburg ngomsombuluko ngamacala okugebenga nokweba. Lensizwa yabo shiswa ke uyise ke uChicco Thwala ngemuva kokufica kwakhe kugqekeziwe biwe laphana nemishini yakhe ebizisa inkulungwane zamarandi into ikanjalo. uChicco wanikela station samaphoyisa eDouglasdale wavulela ke amadodana akhe amabili uLongwe benoSilo amacala okugqekezana ke nokweba. uSilo waseyadedela ke inkantolo ngomhla ka-12 kwephezulu ngemuva kokuba kuvele inkantolo ukuthi abukhe kubufakazi obanele ke obumamanisa ke nalawa amacala. kuLongwe yena koneminyaka u39 obudala uthele ummeli wombuso ocele inkantolo ukuba imnikeze ke isikhathi sokuthola imininingwane eyanele ngalo. So imanje uAbdul Khan kitshela uLongwe ukuthi ngeke bakwazi ukuqhubeka necala ngemuva kokuthi ummeli wakhe ecele ukuthi icala lakhe lihlehliswe into ikanjalo. So umnumzana Thwala bathi ngesikhathi bekhuluma naye bathe Mnumzana uThwala ke udaba lakho luzobuyela enkantolo ngoSeptember 25. ummeli wakho ucele isikhatshana ukuze athole ke ulwazi olwanele ke ngecala lakho. ucele umbuso isikhathi sokuzilungiselela ke ngecala lakho something like that you guys. uzohlala ke esitokisini uze uzwe ngebail yakho ngesonto elizayo. Ikhona kade bekutshela ke uLongwe Thwala lapha guys. kunodaba ke lwesithombe sikaLongwe Thwala guys. Kunesithombe kuma videos wami ngiwapostela phana on the other channel Philile Bablas Entertainment. Uzimoja wayenesithombe engizosifaka on my screen you guys sakaLongwe Thwala. Then abantu bathi kuyena uLongwe Thwala you guys because thina sesijwayele ke uLongwe Thwala masenza ama video wakhe sifaka izithombe zakhe lezi zakudala. Remember the one with the navy blue t-shirt? Is it navy blue or just blue? Into ekanjalo guys. uLongwe wakudala lo yabafethu. Remember uLongwe umuntu oyidakamizwa futhi umuntu ohlala emgaqeni. I do believe ukuthi usechintshile something like that. Nokukhulu guys uLongwe una 39 kumanje. So izithombe lezi thina besizibona nguLongwe mhlambe sakuma 20s wakhe maybe sako 29 25 20 angazi you guys ngoba le ndaba edakamizwa ukuthi ubaba kwathi uyiqale na 17 cabanga. So uLongwe Thwala wakudala esazwana noZandi Khumalo into ekanjalo ukhumbula ukushona kwaSenzo Meyiwa. So ke ngeza kudala lezi izithombe thina besilokhu sisebenzisa. Office ngiyacabanga ukuthi uLongwe Thwala manje ulo. So manje mangiposta ke lese ngisla ngoba kazi moja singathi si brightanyana lana ka isoleze ngathi sithanda kuba ngathi sithintinyana something like that you guys. So but you can see it's the same man, right? So there is no way isoleze nozimoja they can bring false photos akaLongwe Thwala. Kwamina bengididekile you guys ngithi ayikhona uLongwe Thwala lo into ikanjalo. So bengiexpect mina ukubona iphara into ikanjalo ngoba ukuthi uLongwe Thwala umuntu ohlala emgaqweni uyabhema uyahluphuyise ngene endlini uyantshontsha athatha izinto ayodayisa ukuze azokwazi ukuthi athenge lento zakhe. So bengi-expected lo Longwe Thwala ngifaka esithombeni because kunezithombe lezakhe za trend lapha bethi uLongwe Thwala useyiphara abukani ukuthi ubonakala lapha ngazi lapha wayengena ka KFC or kwakuka Nando's something like that you guys. Abantu bebhekene inyawo khona omunye wazwakhathi inyawo wathi bukani uLongwe bukani isoka likaZandi into ekanjalo you guys. So uLongwe you guys lo mina bengilindele ukumbona when it comes to this particular picture engathi uyipharanyana nje you guys. So since ubaba wakhe wathi yena ube lokho eya ku rehab ebangcono engabangcono uyabuye ekhaya tshontsha izinto abuyele futhi emgaqeni. So I do believe ukuthi lana wayeyiphara la ngempela esithombeni lesi sisaziyo lesa sithombe sakudala esayisoka lekaZanda, I think so. Then lesi sithombe ke sobu-paralyzed isikhathi nje e-paralyzekile nje ihlele emgaqweni, right? And then these pictures that we see, uLongwethwala obekade esese-rehab, esephume rehab eseyingcono, futhi uLongwethwala osena-39. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you understand? Because uloya uLongwethwala okudala mhlawumbe bekuma-20s, lo nguLongwethwala okuma-30s. Remember, he's going to 40. So obviously usekhulile. But mina bengi-expecte umuntu ongathi uyipharanyana, bengi-expecte uLongwethwala ofana nalo. Manje ke izithombe zisinikeza lo Longwethwala, and uyabona ukuthi usenkantolo lapha. So there is no way they are going to lie kuthiwe akuyena uLongwethwala. Angazi you guys, siyaphikisana laphana on my other channel, you guys, kuma videos wami mangifaka lesithombe sikaLongi, abantu bathi no ways. Even uThabo Bester did not come back to prison, changed like remember Thabo Bester changed himself, wakholisa inwele zaba ngenye into waba mahliphi la enhloko because wayengafuna ukuthi abonakala ukuthi nguyena uThabo Bester, right? But uLongwe I think usekhulile. uLongwe I think usekhulile and ubesethe ukugaina kancane sengconywana after being ukuba yiphara, wabuyela ekhaya, wabuyela ku rehab, waba ngcono. Uthe mayesebuyele ku rehab wabuye ekhaya, I think ubesengcono senje, usekhulile phela manje bafethu. Plus rehab ngiyacabanga ube ngasabheme sengcono since ubaba uChicco Thwale ekucacisile ukuthi ubesengcono, uyabuye ekhaya abe ngcono aphinde abuyele. So ke manje njengoba enje ubesebuyile rehab esekhaya esengcono. This is the Longwethwala wamanje. I think so. You know why? Because I don't think uZimoja would lie. uSolezwe nabo baqamba amanga because lesi sithombe sika Solezwe and then lesi sinye sika Zimoja, but you can see it is the same guy. Ngale si brighter lapha si tinted nyana, but bathe uLongwethwala senkantolo. Yabona ihoodie kade ifakile ngale kaZimoja, it's the same hoodie ayifakile la kaIsolezwe. It is the same picture though, so which means uLongwethwala osekhulile lo osena 39 manje, not lo wakudala isoka likaZandi besakhula besayintombi lesoka something. Manje sebekhulile sekuyizakhamuzi, manje inkinga ke lo uyabhema ke lo uyathanda. So mina umbuzo wami ukuthi indoda endala engakihlala kanjani emgaqeni bafethu, like really kube yiphara like this man ubukeka nje emdala bafethu, usekhulile sengathi angatshintsha ukwenza, atshintshe indlela enza ngayo guys, ayeke ukubhema lento zakhe lokubuyela emgaqeni. Angazi ukuthi usuke ehlala emgaqeni noma mhlawumbe usuke ehlala noma yikuphi la angahlala khona, because when you look at this particular man, you guys, this picture is said to Longwethwala, right? Angazi kuningi bafethu, I don't know. Do you think it's a wrong Longwethwala? It can't be wrong. They can't both publications be wrong with the same picture, with the same man into ekanjalo. So I think nguLongo sekhulile laphana sabona uLongo wakudala ade simsebenzisa thina, then noLongwe osiphazamisayo lo Longo oke waba yiphara, washayeka, waslima, waba mncane, something like that, waseya erehab, wasebuya ke manje usenje ke you guys, njengoba eboshiwe nje phela ubese kanti ukuthi ubehlala kaanti wakhe esengcono. Manje usentshontshile futhi usebuyele emgaqeni, usefuna ukuthi abuyele futhi ayoba yiphara, uzoslima futhi, but okwamanje unje. This is the grown man now. He's 39 guys going to 40. Just imagine. So obviously I think uyena bafethu ngizozama ukuthi ngikhulume nabo ngale kaphilile Babras Entertainment ukuthi no ways, there is no way Zimoja would lie with the picture, uSolezwe nabo baphinde futhi and lie with the picture. I think uLongwe nje nabo are just confused. You know why we are confused? We are used to using old pictures. Sisebenza ithombe zakudala zikaLongwe thina ezakudala leziya. Years back, washona nini sonzemiwa years back, right? But this is the 39-year-old Longwethwala. But angazi you guys, you should move along a comment section. What do you think about this Longwethwala? Abantu baphikisana but never awungena uLongwe simply because siyazi ithombe zakudala. Mina I think uyena bafethu, but angazi. Thank you so much ukuthi ubukele video, ulike, usubscribe, ushare, so phinde sibonane futhi kwenye video elandelayo. Bye.